Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 1st, 2025, and we're diving into eBay's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, eBay has just released their Q1 results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Absolutely. eBay, a global commerce leader, reported a revenue of $2.6 billion for Q1 2025, marking a 1% increase on an as-reported basis. Their gross merchandise volume, or GMV, also saw a 1% rise, reaching $18.8 billion. Notably, their adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.38, surpassing the forecasted 19 cents by analysts.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's delve into the financials. eBay reported a revenue of $2.6 billion, which is a slight increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this revenue growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by eBay's strategic investments in focus categories and geo-specific initiatives. Their gross merchandise volume also increased by 1%, indicating a steady demand for their marketplace offerings. Additionally, their AI-powered innovations have enhanced the user experience, contributing to this growth.
And what about their profitability? How did they manage to exceed the EPS forecast?
eBay's adjusted EPS of $1.38 significantly beat the forecast of 19 cents. This was achieved through effective cost management and operational efficiencies, resulting in a non-GAAP operating margin of 29.8%. Their strategic share repurchases and dividend payouts also reflect a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Strategic initiatives and innovations. eBay has been making strides in innovation and strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their recent developments?
eBay has rolled out an AI-powered listing flow to enhance the ease and speed of listing creation for C2C customers in the US, UK, and Germany. They've also expanded their authenticity guarantee service in Japan to include watches and jewelry, which bolsters customer trust in luxury items. Additionally, the acquisition of Caramel, an online automotive transaction solution provider, is set to improve trust and safety in vehicle sales on their platform.
These initiatives seem to align with their long-term strategy. How do they impact eBay's competitive position?
These innovations not only enhance the user experience, but also strengthen eBay's competitive edge by building trust and expanding their service offerings. The integration of AI and strategic acquisitions like Caramel position eBay as a forward-thinking leader in the e-commerce space.
Market reaction and shareholder returns. John, how has the market reacted to eBay's Q1 results, and what does this mean for shareholders?
The market has responded positively to eBay's results, particularly due to their strong EPS performance and strategic initiatives. eBay returned $759 million to shareholders in Q1 through $625 million in share repurchases and $134 million in cash dividends. This demonstrates their robust cash flow generation, with $787 million in operating cash flow and a commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
It seems like eBay is in a strong financial position. What are your thoughts on their future outlook?
eBay's focus on innovation and strategic partnerships, such as their collaboration with OpenAI and Meta, positions them well for future growth. Their guidance for Q2 2025 suggests continued revenue stability and a strong EPS outlook, which should reassure investors about their long-term prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, eBay has delivered a solid performance in Q1 2025, with revenue and EPS exceeding expectations. Their strategic initiatives and shareholder returns highlight a strong commitment to growth and value creation. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. eBay's focus on innovation and strategic investments certainly makes them a company to watch in the coming quarters.
Thank you for tuning in to Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on eBay's performance in the comments below. Until next time.